Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, May 14th of 2019. So I hope everyone is having a great week. So here are some morning announcements. Today our garden club will be meeting after school. So that will be happening along with after school today a little bit later at 3:30 in the library. Our last PTCO meeting will be happening. And for May birthdays, we don't have any birthdays to announce yet for today. So our first birthday to announce will be on May 16th. Lunch choices for today, we have Twisted Dog. I'm presuming it's a hot dog. I hope so. Beef and cheese nachos or sun butter and jelly. And today our paws are brought to you by our kindergarten students.
All right, we have for our pause today, we are going to do things about things in PE that we should either make sure we're doing or not doing.
I do people who did put like this. I do people who did do, oh no. I do people who did put them. I do people who put them like this. And show you a picture of office.
That would be very good, yes. You're not supposed to push people, right? Otherwise you have to go to the office.
Yeah.
Good one. Okay, can you say it louder? There you go. Good one. That is awesome. Very good advice from our kindergarten class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. Please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a wonderful day today. Remember, choices are yours, so please make some good ones.